Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be talking about crypto arbitrage. As we all know, crypto arbitrage is simply buying crypto for lower rate in one platform and selling it at a much higher rate in another platform to make profits from the price difference in the market. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys an arbitrage opportunity that is still active running this 2026. Currently there are few arbitrage opportunity available right now because of the crowd and the way people are actually looking for it. So the best way to get all this opportunity yourself is to use an arbitrage scanner. If you want to get an arbitrage scanner software, arbitrage scanning software, I'm going to leave my link in the description, so you just contact me on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how you can get the software for yourself. So currently I want to show you guys an example of how this arbitrage actually works. So first of all, you need to make sure you need to have a Bybit account or a Binance account or any account that you can use to accept crypto and receive cryptocurrency. You need to make sure you have an account. So in this video we're going to be making use of all my Binance. So first of all, once you go over to your Binance, you can come over to XRP here. You see that currently XRP Binance is currently being sold for around 1.44 USDT. That's the value of USDT to XRP. Meanwhile, if you go over to BricsSwap, I'm sure you guys already know about BricsSwap. If you go over to BricsSwap and you go over to XRP here, you can see XRP is currently being sold at a slightly higher rate compared to Binance. You can see 1 XRP is equivalent to around 1.66, whereas Binance 1 XRP is equal to 1.44 USDT. So you can see the profit, the price difference in the both markets. So how this actually works is you actually have to buy from here, then you sell it over here. So if you check, let's say we're getting around $200, or let's say we're getting around 200 worth of XRP. That's equivalent to around 331 USDT, as you can see in this over here. So if you come over to Binance and you check the exchange, XRP to USDT, that same 200 XRP is equivalent to around $286 in Binance, whereas in Bybit 200 XRP is equivalent to around $331. So if you buy $200 worth of XRP here and we sell it over here, you will be actually making some profits. You can see that's exactly how it works. So currently they've not minus the fee they will charge for this. So we're going to be receiving at least 314 or 313 after the fee is charged for this. So that's exactly how it works. So if you calculate how much, let's say 287 minus 315, that's around $28 per trade. So with just one single trade you can make around $28. If you calculate it for around 6 trades, or let's say around 10 trades a day, we are going to be making around $200. That's exactly how it works. That's exactly how arbitrage strategy actually works. You don't trade the markets directly. You trade through the price difference between different markets and make a profit. So that's actually one of the most safest strategy you can actually use to trade. That's one of the most best arbitrage opportunity available currently this 2026. So if you guys are interested in getting this arbitrage scanner to scan the markets, the various markets, to find the price difference between every market and compare the price, so you just see the place where you buy and the place where you sell to make profit. So you're just spotting it out yourself. Please do well to reach out to me. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video, and I'm also going to leave my Telegram channel, so you just join in my Telegram community and you will also be getting updates concerning crypto arbitrage. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.